the letters to spell the word red.
That's Taylor's iPad. and a dog just howled in the background. A dog keeps howling.
You cow dog!
Okay, and my sister just yelled at the dog and called a cow.
Hello.
And this is the fourth one.
I said cow dog.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you what I have in this bathtub. I have, and it's called Corn Academy Kids, by the way.
I play all the That's it, play. This is bath toys. I can do that
Bath
too.
toys. I have 16 of them.
And
now I'm gonna show you one more thing.
Bath toy. Bath toy.
Look at all these bugs I have. Look how much bugs I have. I have so many bugs. I have 47 bugs. I have so many bugs.
Look, guys. I've got all my water toys.
You want your bath toys, Taylor?
Yeah. Bath toys. Now I'm gonna get
Look at all these bugs, guys.
Wow.
So many bugs.
So we can play with and go night buggies too. Hi, friend.
Okay, now I'm gonna do it. Now we're gonna be
This is the
playing
word oil. It is spelled O-I-L.
Hey, now I'm doing
Hola, guys.
Tap the word oil in the sentence. Olive oil.
Hello.
not olives.
Tap
Say it
the
again.
word oil
What?
in the sentence. Olive's dad helps with the oil.
I got
Oil.
14 buggy
Good
buggies.
work.
I got 14
That's the word,
buggy buggies.
oil.
I got 14
This is the
buggy
word one. It is spelled O-N-E. Tap the word one in the sentence. Hop on one foot. One. Nice. That's the word one.
I'm gonna make a corn salt for you
This is
guys
the
after
word
this.
other. It is spelled O-T-H-E-R.
Like on there. There's a
Tap
spider
the
over
word
there.
other in the sentence. Are there other things heroes can do? Other. Yay! That's the word other.
And by the way, if you want,
This
if
is
you
the
want to do it
word
again, you can
number.
click on the panda.
It is spelled
I mean the bear.
N-U-M-B-E-R. Tap the word number in the sentence. Olo painted his favorite
She
number.
said you can download this game on your iPad at home. She actually said, she didn't say download because she said,
Tap the word
doesn't know what
number. Number. Super.
it's called
That's
Corn
the
Academy
word
Kids, and you can
number.
download it.
This is the word part. It is spelled P-A-R-T. Tap the word part. There are two in the sentence. Part of me was sad and part of me was happy. Tap the word part. There are two part. Part. Yay! That's the word part. Let's play memory match.
Ooh, memory match.
Find the matching words under the oranges.
Number.
Oil,
Aw.
part, part,
Yeah, I got it, guys.
number, number,
I got it.
oil, oil,
Sweet.
Okay.
Let's do a word search. Find the words. Drag your finger to highlight them.
Okay. Woo! Wow, this is cool.
Other.
highlighting. Where's one? Where's one? Oh, here's one. Oil.
One.
Here's oil.
That's right.
It looks so pretty.
Find the word part.
Pot.
Find the word one.
One.
Find the word other.
Other.
Find the word oil.
Oil.
Yay!
Bingo!
Tap the word part in the sentence. Part. Great!
I got it!
That's the word part.
What?
Tap the word one in the sentence.
This already is too easy for me.
Tap the word one.
Oh, one.
One. Great! That's the word one. This is the word said. It is spelled S-A-I-D. Tap the word said. In the sentence, Rhea said there's a snail.
There's a snail. Look, it's on a hand.
Said.
Oh, it's said? Okay, I'm tapping.
Great! That's the word said. This is the word some. It is spelled S-O-M-E. Tap the word some. In the sentence, let's make some lemonade. Some.
What?
Great! That's the word some. This is the word than. It is spelled T-H-A-N. Tap the word than. In the sentence, there's no place I'd rather be than the beach. Than. Great! That's the word than.
By the way, you can also get prizes.
This is the word people. It is spelled P-E-O-P-L-E. Tap the word people. In the sentence, the people were waiting to cross the street. People. Great! That's the word people. This is the word that. It is spelled T-H-A-T. Tap the word that. In the sentence, that is a fun game. That. Great! That's the word that. Find the matching words
I love this
under the books.
Said. Said.
Yay!
Some. People. Some.
Got it!
People. People.
Yeah!
Good job! Let's do a word
I
search.
love these.
Find the words. Drag your finger to highlight them.
T-H.
Josh.
What?
I had to drag the teeth
Than.
That. That.
Oops!
What? That's literally.
Let's do a word search.
Oh, never mind.
Find the words. Drag that.
Some.
Good thinking.
I got it.
Find the word than.
This is amazing. Oh, another one of these bingos.
Find the word that.
Are you in bingo again? Now what, guys?
Find the word people.
Too easy.
Good work.
If you really want
Tap
this,
the word said in the sentence.
Yeah.
If you really want it. I don't think you might want it. I think you should get it because
Uppercase letter T.
No, it's
Tap
not.
the
It's actually
word
fun. It's
said
it's on a different
in the
level.
sentence.
yeah. Yay, because the uppercase.
Said?
Said. Nice work.
This is too
That's
easy.
the word said
Sometimes it's just
Hey, no,
Tap
it's
the
not too
word
easy. You can
that
make the level go
in the
higher.
sentence.
so easy to
That.
Make
Nice
the level
work.
go higher.
That's
and
the
then
word
and then it gets
that.
harder.
Your gift is almost here. Let's continue learning. Nice work.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna sing a concert to you.
Hi. Welcome to
Guys, I'm singing a concert to you.
and me.
No, I'm asking you mine first, Taylor. The instruments might rip it off for you. Yes. Don't play anything right now, Taylor, because I have to do this. I'm just getting all my instruments out, guys. Getting all my instruments out.
And get a band for you guys.
Okay.
Josh has a few.
I have 11 instruments. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Josh, how can you record on your iPad?
Tap on my suitcase to
I just clicked that button.
Big thumbs up if you like
Song ended. Okay, my turn. You liked it. Leave a like. Okay, now we're listening to Taylor's concert.
Hi.
But we probably can't really hear it, so well, Taylor's music's in the background. I'm gonna be doing.
Hi guys, I put it on Max thing so you
Find
can
the
probably
words
search.
in the word search. You can tap the pictures to hear the word.
Okay, Taylor's music's in the background. Okay, line. Taylor, don't shove it in my face.
Lime.
Pie. Next,
Can.
candy.
Pie.
Candy.
Candy.
Jam, and pail.
Great.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so we're going to this one.
I have 6 pom-poms! And I found 5 more! Let's count how many I have all together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11! Oh, I have 11 pom-poms all together!
I think that's enough.
Tap
for
the
now.
first group of pom-poms. Then tap each pom-pom after that to count on.
7,
Taylor,
Tap the
that's
first group of pom-poms.
They can't, because
Then
how
tap
can, how
each
can they learn
pom-pom
if
after
so
that
much music in
to
the
count
background? They
on.
can't hear.
7,
8.
Try again.
Oh
6,
Tap the first group of pom-poms.
no.
Oops.
Taylor, no one.
Tap the first group of pom-poms. Then tap
squirrel
each
on the
pom-pom
fence.
after that
And Taylor,
to
that's not
count
really the
on.
best sound in the world, so I think you might have to stop. That's enough playing the music. Taylor, all you're doing is clicking.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Taylor, how
Great
are
job
they supposed
counting on. There are
Taylor, how are they
11
supposed to
total.
learn if you're playing with some music in
Count
the
on
background?
to solve 3 plus 5.
You can play it after the video then.
No.
3 plus 5 equals 8. Correct. Yay,
Woohoo!
got it right.
3 plus 5 equals 8. Count on to solve 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6 equals 12.
Good job!
Guys,
6
anyway,
plus
see
6
who won
equals
on a
12.
Yeah.
Use the number line to
And,
solve the
in
equation.
3 days.
Is 8. His head is moving. Jump. Jump. Jump.
Use the number line to
Jump.
solve the equation.
Jump.
You did it! 4 plus 4 equals 8. Use the number line to solve the equation.
Hop.
Fine, no, stop this game.
Hop. 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 Hop.
Neat! 8 plus 5 equals
Oh,
13.
potato gets
Use the number line to solve the equation.
hop. 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 Hop.
Use the number line to solve the
Yay, got
Sweet!
it.
12 plus 8 equals 20. Solve this equation by counting on. What is 5 plus 5?
10.
Great job! Great job! 5 plus 5 equals 10. What is 9 plus 8?
9 plus 8 is 17. Hey, I
Neat!
got it.
9 plus 8 equals 17. Let's add from top to bottom. What is 10 plus 3?
Woo! Woo!
I think
Woo!
this is fishy.
Woo! Don't eat my breakfast. Okay.
You got it! 10 plus 3 equals 13.
Still read it.
What is 4 plus
Don't eat my
7?
food, Taylor.
I want a fishy.
Awesome!
Don't eat my
4
breakfast.
plus 7 equals 11.
Taylor,
Thanks
eat my
for
breakfast.
adding with me.
I got
These gifts look like fun.
Ooh, I got a gift,
The
guys.
gift that you like best.
I'm gonna get this. Look at this cool spider. spider.
Those look like my bugs. Hey, I have another one of those, but this orange. And we have another one that's blue.
They only have 2 spiders.
Let's see how much I spiders.
I don't think I have more than that. I'm just putting all my bugs.
Guys, I'm not gonna play this game anymore, but I'm gonna just play another game. I'm gonna play another game, guys. Josh, is it okay if I play another game?
Yes, but you have to mute it so no one hears it.
Why?
Because
I don't care about that. And get it on max volume.
don't put it on max volume.
Right.
Guys, look, I have 38 bugs now.
I'm gonna make some gummy bears. I make some
Taylor!
gummy bear, gummy bear, gummy bear.
You know what?
I'll
I'll show you what walking wall is.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go what walking wall is. This is what walking wall is. Okay, we're ending the video now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our subscribe, not us, subscribe. Piranha Plant Pals.